Notpla was created to actually solve the plastic pollution problem. Plastic is a very strong and powerful material, but it's also a man-made material that stays behind us for a long time. So quite often, you use a piece of plastic for only a few minutes, but then it's going to be behind us for hundreds of years, or even thousands of years.
So Notpla as a business actually stands for Not Plastic, or Not PLA. That's where our name is derived from, and it's also the name of our material. We're a sustainable packaging company pioneering the use of seaweed. Seaweed has an abundance of amazing properties, some being it doesn't compete with land crops for food because it grows in the ocean. It also acts as a carbon sequester, so it's drawing carbon in from and deacidifying the oceans. It also is incredibly fast growing and really an abundant resource.
We're getting all of this inspiration because one of our, we are on a mission to make packaging disappear, and one of our driving values is nature knows best.
Tullis Russell is a coating expert in terms of taking many different kinds of mix and coating them onto different kinds of substrates in order for them to perform different functions. Print, barrier layers for packaging, or different functional layers such as electronic components. Coater 4 is Tullis Russell's £13 million investment in a brand new state-of-the-art coating line, capable of curtain or curtain and gravure coating, multiple layers at the same time in a single pass on both sides of the substrate. Able to run board, paper and film, we can run at line speed similar to a mainline paper mill.
Curtain coating is a complex balance of both physical and chemical parameters, which we can primarily break down into three areas. The first is surface tension, which looks at the liquid's interaction with the air itself. A lot of water-based dispersions will try to pull away from that air interface due to an instability. The second is viscosity or rheology, and this is a measure of how thick the liquid is. And this looks at how well the liquid can hold itself together and prevent itself from pulling apart when formed into a curtain. The third is the volume in the curtain, and another way to look at this is the thickness of the curtain itself. And we can adjust this by changing the coat weight, and it's also defined by the actual running speed of the machine itself, as well as the solid material within the liquid coating.
The criteria when looking for partners was definitely this desire to be innovative in that space. The collaborative and one of our values at Notpla is we work better together, and that's true both internally, but also it's something that we believe strongly in when we look at partners for scaling up.
I think also working with a company that has the ability to scale with us. We know that we started small, but we have really big ambitions and we have really big opportunities to drive change, but that comes with scale. And to know that Tullis Russell were able to grow with us, already had that capacity that we could fit into without having to worry about production capacity issues.
So the way I found out about Notpla, it was actually my first day at Tullis Russell. Naturally, I was nervous. New company, new role, but it was just so nice to come into a company that is so open to working with innovative, young and energetic companies such as Notpla for natural solutions. It's just so rare to find that in the market at the moment.
I think also, when Notpla approached us a couple of years back, it was a refreshing change to have somebody that's coming in with a solution that's not plastic driven. Tullis Russell's mission statement is to be the world's leading creative and environmentally responsible coating company. So the fit in terms of both the environmental responsibility and the creativity was perfect for us.
Collaboration was one of the key points. We learnt a lot about running this coating on our machines. In doing so, we learnt a lot more about our machines and how they react with fully natural solutions. We learnt a lot about the chemistry and what to expect from them inside the lab, and also in terms of like a scale-up process as well. And obviously there's a lot of challenges that come with that, but it ultimately makes it more rewarding when you get to that finish point as well.
We got to a point in 2021 where we had demand coming from real commercial partners showing real traction in the industry, and us understanding the scale of the problem led to us needing a solution that we could grow and scale with. And so we started to engage with Tullis Russell, and working on proving that at scale has been a work in progress since then, and we're now at the point where we are industrialized to a point of delivering tens of millions of units a year to different food service industries.
In the paper industry, it typically takes decades to bring a product to market. And this has been around 2 years from start to finish, which is quite extraordinary. The journey we've come on from start to finish has been quite incredible.
We knew from the start that our solution needed to be something scalable, something that we could, manufacture at scale with the right partner to be able to really have the impact that we want to have in terms of plastic problem.
So the problem that we're trying to solve with our coating for the food service industry, it's such a high volume product, so 2 billion takeaway containers used every year. That is a huge amount of packaging, and without being on a scale like something like this, we're not able to deliver on those volumes.
The result is a conformal coating. That means that the curtain perfectly follows the form of the substrate that we're coating. When it comes to formulating something truly esoteric, like coming from the natural world, collaborating with a company like Notpla is brilliant, because they bring the seaweed-based technology. We bring the ability to apply that and to apply it at scale and truly deliver to the demands that all of their customers have, which obviously, as we all know, in this day and age, the environment has become more and more of a focus for all of us, and rightly so.